So this truck is a 75 Blazer or a 78, I can't remember, the LS swap. This is how you wire your bulkhead. There's another video floating around off YouTube I tried to follow. It didn't quite work. Here's my somewhat schematic that I tried to make. Tried to follow that, didn't quite work right. So I had to go through and pin out all the wires and figure thing out. All right, this top wire right here on the right side, or left side. This top wire right here on the left side, this red one. This is for your headlights and all your lights, dash lights, etc., etc. And the second wire down, this is your ignition wire. This is your 12-volt switch. So it's supposed to be pink, but it looks orange. This truck's a gazillion years old, so you're gonna get some discoloration. And this third wire down, right here. This third wire right here, somewhere, right here. This third wire down. This is your ECU wire, the new ECU wire. This wire used to go to the distributor to tell the distributor that, hey, the motor's turning over, you need to give me some spark. So now, since this is your ECU wire, when you turn on your 12-volt switch, this powers up your ECU, all your relays, all your fuses, yada yada yada. So this goes back in and goes back into there. All right, this last wire, this red wire right here, this wire right here, this is your last and final wire. This red wire goes from here over to the starter, and then from the starter up to the battery. So basically from here to the starter, and then I got a battery cable going from the starter up to the battery on your positive side. This is your 12-volt hot. This is your hot every single time. This is your hot wire. And then this green wire right here, going back down the other side here. This green wire right here, this is your coolant wire. This wire right here, directly underneath, this is directly underneath the coolant wire. This wire has a constant 12 volts on it. This wire has a constant 12 volts when you turn the key on. So, well, 12 volt switch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this run my fans. This last wire, this is your fuel sending unit. So this goes from the bulkhead. This goes from the bulkhead all the way to your sending unit, so you can have power to your gauge. All right, that's pretty much how I figured it out. Try the other way. Starter wouldn't engage. I had no power. Had everything wired up ass backwards. When I would wire the distributor wire and what I thought was the hot wire, I couldn't turn the truck off. So it was like I was starting this truck on the stand. It's not what you want. So, anyways, that's that. That's how the wiring is on this truck. If the wiring worked off the other video, that should be floating around. Congratulations. If not, this is the other way to do it. So, all right, like, I guess, subscribe. Have a good one. And then, this third wire down right here. I don't know. Jesus Christ. Lighting in here is awesome.